look at the date. It's October 24th. This is the last day you could ever play this game again. This game is gone. Really? This game is gone. Off the market. Alright, come on. Give it a look. Alright, big train here. Big train. Use the whole entire train. They already started taking some of them offline. Alright, 260. Come on, big number.
Come on, one more. Woo!
80. We did a big number here. Big one. Where the big numbers at? That's more like it. Come on. Get that fortune 8. Save us. So close. Not bad. It's something. This is it, guys. It's the final day you'll ever see this game again. It is gone.
It's a jackpot, but it's not a jackpot.
Yeah, this is a jackpot, but it's not a jackpot because we're in the Atlantis, the Bahamas, and it's tax-free. Tax-free wins. See, watch this. Boom, watch this. Doesn't even sound like give us a jackpot. It's gonna act like nothing happened. Here it goes, and I hit this button. There it is. Like nothing happened. Back in action.